Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone, in episode 8 of Power BI PL 300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you question number 8 of the ongoing series. In case you have not been following, the link will be popping up here, and where you can watch the playlist and alongside me prepare for this exam. So today's topic is roles in data in Power BI. Without further ado, let's begin. So yeah, this is question number 8 in the practice set. A financial institution wants to leverage its historical transaction data to identify fraudulent transactions and improve customer service. The data is stored across multiple legacy systems and needs to be consolidated, cleaned, and analyzed. Identify the roles that would be involved in each stage of this process and explain their contributions. So this is a multiple choice question. You have to select the options which are correct. I'm gonna pause the video here for 10 seconds. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what are the solutions for this question. So yeah, all four are actually the solutions because data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, and database administrator, all four are applicable in the process of consolidation, cleaning, and analyzing the data. So yeah, pretty straightforward, but you have to ensure you have to select all four options, otherwise you won't be getting marks in this exam. So let's look at the solution and explanation. So yeah, this slide talks about overall explanation for each of the four roles in data. So you can go through it. You can pause the video here. So yeah, coming forward, here are the resources. As again, I'm leveraging this Udemy course, Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, and this is the Learn article which we will just now look at. And yep, moving to the article. So yeah, this is the article on Microsoft Learn website. You can go through it. Talks about different roles in data, starting from business analyst, data engineer, analytics engineer, and data scientist. So all four roles, all five roles, sorry, are crucial in when you are playing with data, manipulating data. So all five roles stands apart, and through this certification you can become each of the five role in your professional career, right? So this article in detail talks about what does each role do. Basically these are the jobs, and if you are an aspiring data engineer, you should be well versed what does a data engineer do, right? For example. So yeah, this is you can go through this article, brush up your knowledge on this topic so that you can solve this type of question coming in the exam. So yeah, that is on this one. And yeah, it's a short video, but I hope I will I tried to increase your learning in this topic. Looking forward to see you on the next day. Take care. Bye bye.